join ila IME.
The Khasi Students' Union KSU Southwest Khasi Hills District has given the Power Department a 1-month ultimatum to address safety concerns after the tragic electrocution of a 19-year-old from Rangblang Pombriu village. KSU Maukerwat Circle President Rutherford Lingdo criticized the negligence of authorities, recalling a previous incident where a minor lost both hands due to electrocution near a transformer. The union demands compensation for the victim's family, the fencing of transformers in all villages, repair of deteriorating electrical posts and lines, and increased manpower for better monitoring. Lingdo expressed frustration over the department's ongoing failures to ensure public safety.
Kabedai berkacanya kalau suja menghubung kasih apa Rangblang Pombriu kabawe usamlah apa katu kesnong ulah duai lah kejong sinim tang kadau ba kajing le torti jong tenat berdai banpet ya ke kam boarding ya po kadong tanya kejong ni bat kum kaseng ni ngisro ba indawa ya kibor berdai pet ba kidai ban siu competition ya kayin kasem jong u samla jimulson ubal khatno akajing sabat ka boarding electric.
Prime Minister A.T.